Okay, let's talk about edge loops. You can select edge loops in all three modes, point, edge, or polygon, using this selection tool. So what are loops? Loops are elements, points, edges, or polygons that connect in the shape of a loop. Loops are commonly used when modeling 3D characters because they help to ensure perfect deformation when a character is animated or poised using joints. Okay, so let's have a quick look at what I'm talking about. So I'm going to put a sphere in the scene, O on the keyboard to frame it, select it, hit C on the keyboard to make it editable. Now I'm going to go in here in point mode. I'm going to hit U on the keyboard, and then if you'll look down, you'll see the L, which is loop selection. This is just a quick way to get the tool active. So I'm going to hit L now. And then if I come over here, you can see that it is selecting loops of points. So I can select that, and I've got all of these points selected in a loop around the sphere. If I want to shift select, I can select multiples. If I control or command on a Mac select, I deselect. Now, like I said, this command is available in point, edges, or polygons. So if I go to my edges mode, I can make my loop selections there as well. And if we go into polygon mode, we can make our selections there. So it's a very, very convenient way to make selections. You'll use this all the time. I can show you one example where I use this all the time, and that is in edge mode. Let's say that I needed to get an edge that was exactly where that edge is, but I needed a spline that was exactly in this point in 3D space. Well, that would be pretty difficult to do, but you can come in here with the loop mode selection, select it, then come up to the mesh menu and go to command. Then you see the command edge to spline. Click that. Now if I come over here into my object manager, I've got a spline right here that is exactly in this place in 3D space. So if I just turn my sphere off, there you go. So that would be almost impossible to do any other way. Okay, so that's edge loops, another one of those tools that you will use on a daily basis.